Hi, Moon. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Moon. Hello,
Moon, you don't
hello.
happy.
Đâu đưa đây mẹ chỉnh sửa
Oh,
cho.
you're not happy? Moon is not happy? Oh
Don't
no.
don't don't have one Tony.
Oh,
Don't Tony Moon.
oh,
Okay.
Moon. You don't have a moon?
Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom. Oh, so cute. So polite. Okay. Hello, hello again, Moon. Good evening, and welcome, welcome to our class for today. Oh, what is that? What's that? Oh, is that a crocodile? Crocodile.
It's rabbit. It is.
Can I see? Can I see? Can you show it to teacher? The face.
It's
The f-
rabbit. It is E.
the face, the face. Is it a crocodile?
No, it isn't. It's rabbit. It
What?
is E.
It's a rabbit?
It's rabbit. It is E.
Ah. Oh no. Does it bite? Does it bite?
I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I can see 20 teeth.
Oh, that's so many teeth.
No, it 20 teeth.
Yeah, it's so many. It's 20 teeth. How
It's
about
it is E.
mm, how about you, Moon?
It's the snow.
It's the snow, yeah. Okay,
Oh, I
very
made it cool.
oh, very good. But for this one, Moon, how are you today? Before we start our lesson, how are you today? Oh, what letter is that? What
It's
letter is
it's
that?
with M.
Letter M, very good. M is for, M is for. Oh no, don't eat it. M is for moon. Wow. M is for moon. M.
Come on,
Hmm?
have a teacher.
Oh, I think it's a crocodile.
No, it is rabbit. It is E.
Oh, it's a rabbit. But I don't see rabbit ears. I don't see the
No,
rabbit's ears.
it rabbit. It is E.
What?
Rabbit. E. It's E.
Oh, it doesn't have an ears, a long ears. Doesn't have a long ears.
It's green letter M. But it's something with the snow. I'm making a snowman.
You're making a snowman?
Yes.
Wow. Can I see? Can I see your snowman? Can I s-
Yappy.
can I
It's
see us?
something yappy.
Can I see your snowman?
Mm, yeah.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Yes. I'm making a
Yes.
snowman.
Can I see? Can I see? Where is your snowman? Na, 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 na.
Well, it's something what's the snowman? What? Ding 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 ding. Whoop 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 whoop. What?
Uh,
Letter M. It's something green letter M, but it is a rabbit.
oh, it is a rabbit. Okay, it's a rabbit. So now let's go
Rabbit
back.
is in carrot.
Okay. So now, Moon, let's go back. Let's go back with our lesson. So are you ready for to continue our
Yeah,
lesson
I'm
for
ready. It's I eating rice and as the fish and
Rice and fish?
a tomato. I'm
Oh,
eating vegetable and I'm eating broccoli.
broccoli? Really? Oh, that's a very delicious vegetable. Wow, that's so nice that you eat vegetables. Okay, so now again, let's review the things that we had learned last time, Moon. So what is this? What's this again? It's the, it's the what?
Yeah, but it's something the rabbit eating letter
Let,
M.
oh no, rabbit it is eating a letter M. It
That
will,
letter M is
yeah.
some
Oh no, the rabbit will eat you later. Are you not scared? You're not
is that
scared of the rabbit? Oh, it's inside the mouth of the rabbit. Oh no. Okay. Now, Moon, look at the picture. What is the
I
color?
don't have a letter M.
No. What's the color of the snow?
It's a rock, but
It,
if I don't have a I don't have a letter
hmm?
M.
You have a letter S? You don't have a letter S?
No, I don't.
Oh, oh, you don't. Okay, it's okay.
I
So,
I have a I don't. Rabbit is eating
rabbit is eating letter
letter.
M. Okay. So again,
Mm.
Moon, when we say snow, it is soft, white, and cold. So that is a snow. Soft, white, and cold. Okay.
It is something. But it's the sled.
Oh, is it the sled? What is this, Moon? It's the
Um. uh,
what's what's this? It's it's the
wow!
ice
I can see a little M.
letter M. No, look at the picture. What is this, Moon? Is this
It
are
is
are these shoes? Are these
I
shoes?
no. It isn't.
No, it isn't. What are these? What are
Yeah.
these? What are this? This is the ice skates. So these
I
are ice skates. Very good. These are ice skates. So when we say ice skates, is it a
it's
shoes?
flower have pearl. But
Wow.
it is I kid. It's something ice cream and it don't have a ice
Don't have a ice
cream.
cream?
It's a rabbit eating letter M.
Oh, rabbit
I
is.
don't have a letter M.
Oh, you don't have a letter M because the rabbit ate it. Oh no. Okay. So again, so look at the picture, Moon, when we say ice skates. So it
Yeah.
is considered as shoes, but it has blades. So this one is blades.
Mm,
So people wear them to slide and dance on the ice.
something raspberry. Raspberry. It something is a raspberry. It is
Rasabes?
something letter M is raspberry.
Rasabes? What's rasabes? Okay. So
Teacher, what is it?
what? Can I see? What's that?
Teacher, it is letter M, but something living in letter M living in it is something. What
What
it is?
what's that? Is that a mirror? What's that?
No. No.
What is that?
The letter M.
Letter M?
What it is? Hmm?
What is it?
It is a flower. Yeah.
Oh, it's a flower.
It,
Wow, that's a very
I
beautiful flower.
don't
Very,
have a flower. This have morning.
mm, okay. Now let's look at the picture, Moon. What color is the ice skate? What colors the ice skate?
It is pink, purple,
Purple.
brown. Mm,
Hmm.
it is white.
White.
It is the mm, the orange.
Orange. And
No, it is orange, not orange.
oh, it's orange. How about this one? What color is this?
Orange. It màu cam.
Yes.
It is the orange. It have a letter M. It
Oh, it has four letter M. How about this one, Moon? What color is this? Is this color yellow? Is this color yellow? Yes or no?
oh, oh.
Yellow? This one.
No. It's blue
Oh, this one.
and blue.
This one, oh. Is it color
Blue.
yellow? Oh, we have blue. How about this? What color is this? So we have, it's color pink, purple, white, orange, blue, and yellow. Blue and yellow. So these are the colors. Colors of the ice skates. Okay. Next. Okay, what is this, Moon? What's this? What's this? What's this?
It is sled.
Huh? Okay, again. Let's say sled. Not slash. Sled. Sled. Again, let's say sled. How do we say it? Sled.
Sled.
Okay, again, sled.
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 No sled. Sled.
Okay, very good. Sled, not sled. Sled.
No,
Not,
it's sled.
not slash. Sled.
Yeah. Sled.
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 Okay, very good. So this one is sled. So when we say sled, it is a flat seat that slides on the snow. So kids or children ride it down the hills for fun, like for this one. Sled. We can see a sled. This one. Sled.
Huh?
Sled. That is a sled. Sled. That is a sled. Oh, sled. That's a sled. Oh,
Sled.
do you know
Sled.
Santa? Yes. Do you know Santa Claus, Moon? Santa Claus.
Oh.
Do you know
What?
Santa Claus?
What?
Santa Claus. You don't know Santa Claus? Oh no. This one,
What?
Santa
What?
Claus. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is riding a sled.
Yes.
Yes, so this is Santa Claus. So we see Santa Claus during
Santa Claus?
Christmas or winter? Again, let's say Santa Claus. Yes, Santa Claus. So Santa Claus. Okay. So we usually see him on Christmas and in the winter.
I like making a snowman.
You like making a snowman because our next word is, what is this again, Moon?
The
What?
snowman.
Very good. It's the
I
snowman.
like making a snowman.
Do you like to build a snowman?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I like.
Yes, I like
Okay, very
to
good.
build a snowman. But
Good.
the snowman is built a hand, a
Yes.
circle, and the nose is the carrot, and the small one, 3 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle, 5 circle,
Okay.
6 circle, 7 circle, 8 circle.
Okay, very good.
And
So we will watch a video on how we build a snowman using a snow. So let's take a look.
Big snowball. Okay, so you drop in the snow and start rolling it and just pack it as you go.
Oh, you roll the snow. So you will build a big, big, big circle. So you will roll.
All right, so once you got it to a big ball like this, you want to round it around, make sure it's nice and smooth, because this is going to be your first bottom biggest ball.
Biggest ball.
Okay, so now that the first bottom big ball is done, now it's time to do the same thing again, but just make it a little bit smaller, because this is going to be the middle part of the
Smaller
snowman.
ball.
So you pick up the small amount again and start rolling again. Okay, so once you have your second ball rolled up and ready and the size is good, now it's time to pick it up and put it on top of the first ball that you made. Make sure it's all rounded and good and smooth. So just make sure it's all packed in
Okay,
so it
let's
doesn't fall over.
stick this.
Snowman.
Okay.
So now using the sticks, these are used as the snowman's arms.
Sticks for arms.
Okay,
Snowman's
so now
arms.
it's time to make the snowman's face. You can use
Face.
rocks, buttons, or whatever you have at home.
Buttons.
So let's first do his eyes.
Add eyes. Eyes of the snowman. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Eyes of the snowman.
Okay, so now using force, so rocks, now you can make the mouth.
Mouth. Mouth of the snowman. And the nose. Nose is carrot.
And now we're gonna add some buttons. I'm gonna use rocks.
Buttons.
add the pipe.
Snowman has a scarf and a pipe.
So now let's put on the hat.
And the hat.
And that's it. We made a snowman. Yay!
Yay! Snowman.
A little snowman.
Okay, so that is how we build a snowman. That's how we build a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Do you?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's fun. It's fun to do. It's fun. It's very, very fun to
It is
build.
snowman?
Yeah. Yes, it's a snowman. We watch
No,
how
it is an acorn.
it's not an acorn. So we watch how to build a snowman. So that's it.
I will build acorn.
You want to build an acorn out of the snow?
Yes.
That's so good. Okay. So next, let's have another thing that we see in the winter. What is
No.
this? Hmm.
No, I not smell it.
Smilin? What's smilin? This one is,
Smell it.
again, we call it as mittens. Mittens. Mittens, mittens,
I am
mittens.
circle.
Huh?
I am circle.
I am circle? This one is mittens. Mittens, mittens, mittens. Yes,
Huh?
yes.
Mitten.
Okay, so when we say mittens, Moon, so these are warm hand covers. So we use it for our arms because in the winter it is very cold. That is why we need to have covers for our arms. What is happening to your brother? What's happening to your brother? What is happening? What's happening? What is happening? Oh no.
See
Okay.
what Mules? Mules? Mules?
Really?
Mules. It's
Okay.
it's something. I have a mullet. It was mullet. It's something was it's pencil. Pencil is mullet. Mullet. It's three snowman.
Uh-huh. Oh, big snowman? Oh, really? Really? Again, let's say mitten, not
Mitten.
mirlets. Mittens. Yes, very
No,
good.
it's in mullet. It's yellow. It's
Yellow,
red and white and blue.
yellow, white, and blue.
Mullet that is yellow,
Ah,
red, blue, white, and green.
okay, very good. So these are mittens. So we use it to
Stop,
warm our
stop, stop.
hands. So they keep our fingers together so our fingers or hands do not get cold. Okay, so next we have here, is this a
Oh,
is this a jacket?
no, it is the skirt.
Yes, very good. It is the coat. So when we say coat, so coat is a warm jacket. So it is a kind of jacket, but it is bigger than a jacket. So this is a coat. It is bigger than a jacket.
No, it's no jacket.
Hmm? It's bigger. It's bigger than the jacket.
No,
No?
it don't jacket.
Oh, oh, really? No. This is bigger than a jacket. Bigger. Yes. So this is a coat, a kind of a jacket. So it looks like your pink jacket. You have a pink jacket, right? You have a pink jacket? Do you have a pink jacket?
It don't make jacket.
Yes, you have a pink jacket.
No,
Mm.
no, it don't have jacket.
You don't have a jacket? You showed it to teacher last time that you have a jacket, and now you don't have a jacket? Oh no. Okay. But this is a coat.
Teacher, I have a rabbit.
Yes, you have a rabbit. Okay, so next, what is this, Moon? What is this? This is, what is this? What's this? Moon.
It's a fire.
Fire, very good. It's the fire. So since in the winter season it's very cold, that's why we need fire. So fire gives heat and light. And in the winter, most of the families
Oh,
sit by the
what?
fire to stay warm. So the fire helps
Yellow,
people.
yellow.
to
What
stay
did you
warm.
what, teacher?
Yes, a fire is our heat.
Teacher, like fire. This
Teacher like fire. Teacher is a
I
teacher
don't
is
like fire. I
fire.
like it.
Fire is the heat. When we feel cold in the winter, we just go
Eat
in
a
front
number.
of the fire. Not
Eat a
five,
number.
not five. Fire.
No,
Fire.
eat a
Fire
number.
is a
Now.
number. It's fire. Okay, so that's it. So next, our last one. What is this? What season is this, Moon? What season? What season? What season? What season
Oh,
is
I don't
this?
see a,
It's the
oh,
winter. The
I don't see
winter.
a teacher.
You don't see? Oh no. Because you're uh, you're
I don't
you
see
have
a teacher.
you have rabbit in your eyes. Why do you have a rabbit in your eyes? Okay, so this is the winter season. It is the cold season. So in this season, we can see snow falls from the sky. Like in the picture, there is a snow. There is a snow that is falling from the sky. So instead of raining or instead of water that falls from the sky, a snow falls from the sky. So it is an ice. It is very cold to touch. Okay. So now, teacher has a question for you, Moon. Have you ever seen a snow before? Have you ever seen a snow? Have you seen, have you ever seen a snow before? Yes or no? No? Have you seen a snow?
No.
No, no, I haven't. Oh,
No, I haven't.
okay,
Oh,
very.
I very cool.
Snow is very cold. Very good. Snow is very cold, especially when we touch it. So it's cold. Especially this one is the winter season. It's the coldest season. So again, let's review the 4 seasons that we learned. So we have the spring, summer, fall, and winter. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Again,
No.
spring.
Fall.
Oh
Winter.
no. Spring, summer, fall, and
No.
winter. Okay, so
No.
make sure, Moon, you will review those 4 seasons because in our next class, we will have a test or
Winter.
exam.
Oh.
Winter,
Oh.
spring,
Oh.
summer, fall. Okay.
No.
No. Okay. So Moon, make sure to review those seasons because in our next class, we will have a test or exam. Okay? Make sure to learn all of the things or review all of the things that we had learned. So thank you very much, Moon, for your time today and see you again soon.
What's that? It is something to the hair.
Oh, in my hair? Oh, it's a flower. Oh, look like this. Flower, 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 flower. Chin. Goodbye, Moon, and see you again
Goodbye, teacher.
soon. Bye bye.
Oh, I
Flower.
have a Kurumi.
Oh, can I see? Can I see your Kuromi? Kuromi. Oh, it's so cute. Kuromi, Kuromi. Bye bye. So cute.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you again. See you next class.